اسٹیج پہ آ کر آپ دوستوں کو ایڈریس کرے.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. میں انجینئر عرض لیتا ہوں کہ میں بلوچستان انجینئرنگ ایسوسی ایشن کی دستور کا مکمل پابند اور اپنی تمام تر صلاحیتیں انجینئرز کی فلاح و بہبود اور انجینئرنگ پروفیشن کی بہتری کے لیے صرف کروں گا. اللہ میرا حامی و ناصر ہو.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. آنریبل نواب محمد اسلم خان ریزانی, Chief Minister of Balochistan, distinguished provincial ministers, dear engineers and guests, Assalamu alaikum. It is indeed a matter of great honor to welcome you all to the first oath-taking ceremony of the newly elected cabinet. I would like to take this opportunity and share with you the basic objectives of Balochistan Engineering Association. The main aim of this was to fight the rights and integrity of the engineers and to establish their right with law or with wit. The main objectives of creating this forum is to make the government understand that we are also the citizens and we have the rights to develop and prosper. The engineers play a vital role in the development of the society and the nation. The engineers are the engine for development from north to south and east to west. People can dream, but we engineers make it a reality. Our country is facing difficulties economically and administratively. We, the engineers, are pushing development step by step to strengthen the country in all respects. Unfortunately, the services of the engineers have never been recognized by the competent authorities. The engineers community has suffered a great loss to a great extent. The engineers have now got together and established a platform from where their voices can be heard. I congratulate the new cabinet and thank you all. God bless you. اللہ حافظ.
اب غلام عثمان بابی صاحب کو, جو کہ پاکستان انجینئرنگ کونسل کا نمائندہ ہے بلوچستان کے ریفرنس سے, وہ آ کر آپ کو ایڈریس کرے.
نحمدہ و نصلی علی رسول الکریم. Illustrious Chief Minister Balochistan Nawab Mohammad Aslam Raisani Sahab, Engineers Amrit Khan Sahab, Provincial Ministers, learned engineers, distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum. We feel honored in offering you all a cheerful welcome. Pakistan Engineering Council is a statutory body constituted under Pakistan Engineering Council Act 1976 to regulate the engineering profession in the country such that it shall function as key driving force for achieving rapid and sustainable growth in all national, economic and social fields. Learned engineers are engineers assisting the federal government as think tank, establishing standards for engineering products and services, besides safeguarding the interest of its members. Learned engineers, Pakistan Engineering Council interacts with the government both at the federal and provincial level by participating in commissions, committees and advisory bodies. Pakistan Engineering Council is a fully representative body of the engineering community in the country. My dear engineers, Pakistan Engineering Council has also been providing support to the government in conducting technical inquiries and recommending remedial measures on the subjects referred, which speak for the engineering profession as a whole in the country. It forms an effective bridge between government, industry and education. The engineers community has been and continues to be relegated to the position of backbenchers in the planning and management of engineering organization. The enormity of these shortcomings is the entrusting of the administration of the public sector engineering departments and mega projects to the journalists. It is extremely unfortunate. It is breeding frustration, discontentment, brain drain in the engineering community, and thwarting the economic and advancement of the country. Engineers are considered the harbingers of the research and development, innovation and inventions in the countries. We, the engineers, would be highly grateful to our elders and authority and request to lend their valuable support to the cause of national significance, as well as impress upon the higher echelon at all levels to very kindly realize the grave injustices to which the engineers community is being subjected since decades, and advise the planners establishment to redress their grievances without further loss of time. I thank you all once more.
इंजीनियर सलीम रज़ा साहब को, जो कि चेयरमैन है बलूचिस्तान इंजीनियर्स इंस्टीट्यूट का, सलीम रज़ा साहब।
ये एक मेरे लिए काबिल फ़ख्र एज़ाज़ है कि बहुत अरसे के बाद हम इंजीनियर्स इकट्ठे होकर किसी एसोसिएशन की फॉर्म में एक जगह जमा हैं, और ये हमारे 30-40 साल का जो तजुर्बा है उसमें ये पहली दफ़ा मौका आया है कि बाकायदा इलेक्शन होने के बाद किसी एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे जमा होके हम अपनी चीज़ों को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए शायद कामयाब हो सकें. But let me tell you, the only force which is eroding us, it is within us. It is not outside. If we are united, if we are good, if we are honest to our profession, then nobody from outside can damage you. This is the only crux of the problem कि हम अपने अंदर रहते हुए तो माशरे में इंजीनियर की बहुत इज्जत थी. डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर एक रोल प्ले करता था एंड एवरीबडी यूज्ड टू लुक टुवर्ड्स हिम. लेकिन डाउन द रोड इन 30 years टाइम इतनी इरोजन हो चुकी है हमारी रिस्पेक्ट की, हमारी इंटीग्रिटी की, हमारे प्रोफेशनल एक्सपर्टीज़ की कि हमें बिल्कुल डाउनग्रेड कर दिया गया है.
Addressing this gathering of the engineers at Quetta, it is to my surprise that at Quetta I am addressing so many engineers today. Dear brothers, we have spent 33 years in service, and after retirement we are looking at young engineers, hoping that every one of you will come to the expectation of our people. If we put our hands together, remain shoulder to shoulder, I assure you all that there will be no difficulty for the engineers community. The only thing is to recognize yourself. If there is an eagle spirit in you, I assure you that you will see your heaven in your future and in your life. People will respect you. Respect lies in your own hands. If the CSP officers have got this very strong hold in the country, why we cannot do it? If we remain together, if we watch the interest of each other, if we teach each other, if we learn from the experiences of each other, I pray that you get a successful life. I pray that you become assets of the province. I pray that people respect you in the society as most distinguished, constructive people with constructive minds and constructive planning. Wish you good luck. Thank you very much.
मैं चंद एक बातें इसी एसोसिएशन के बारे में सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि बलूचिस्तान के इंजीनियर्स गुज़श्ता कई अरसे से मसाइल का शिकार थे. उनके मसाइल को हुकाम बाला तक पहुँचाने कोई ख़ास नुमाइंदा तंजीम नहीं थी. इस कमी को महसूस करते हुए मुखलिस इंजीनियरों दोस्तों ने एक साल के कम अरसे में बलूचिस्तान इंजीनियर्स एसोसिएशन का क़याम अमल में लाया और आज उसकी पहली हल्फ बर्दारी की तकरीब हुई है. जैसा कि आप सबको मालूम है कि कौमों की तामीर और तरक्की में इंजीनियर्स का एक कलीदी किरदार होता है. इंजीनियर्स के बगैर आप किसी भी माशरे के तरक्की का सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं. लेकिन बदकिस्मती से हमारे यहाँ इन कौमों के मेहमारों को बुरी तरह नज़रअंदाज किया जा रहा है. रवायती हदों का गैर मामूली शिकार रहा है। कोई भी तालिब इल्म किसी भी प्रोफेशनल कॉलेज में दाखिला से कबल उनकी मतलूबा एंट्री टेस्ट को पास करना ज़रूरी है और ग्रेजुएशन के बाद भी एक मरतबा फिर पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के इम्तिहान को पास करना होता है, तब जाके गवर्नमेंट सर्विस में दाखिल होता है। लेकिन इतने मराहिल तय करने के बावजूद हमारे इंजीनियर्स को ग्रेड 17 से लेके ग्रेड 18 में जाने के लिए 20 से 22 साल लगते हैं। और इस सिलसिले में इंजीनियरिंग एसोसिएशन इंशाअल्लाह भरपूर कोशिश करेगी और उसके लिए आपकी तावन की ज़रूरत है। आप अगर हमारे साथ देंगे, आप हमारे बाजू बनेंगे, इंशाअल्लाह हम ये सारे मुतलबात मनवा के रहेंगे। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।